Hi everybody, welcome to 37978 Spur Drive in Murrieta, California. My name is Juliana and I'll be doing a quick tour with you today. This beautiful home is available for immediate move-in with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,995 square feet. Awesome. Well, let's go ahead and get started and we can go in together. Okay, perfect. We're now inside. This will be actually when you first walk in, this would be the living room area. And then here's a good view of the stairs. There's a lot of high ceilings and a lot of space. There's a beautiful tile floor and a beautiful chandelier. And then a lot of natural light that comes throughout the windows in the house, as you can tell. And then this would be the dining area. We walk in. It would be the kitchen. And there's a lot of counter space. If you did not have a refrigerator, the owner would provide one for you as well. And there's a lot of cabinets. And then once you walk through here, this would be the living room area actually. And there's a cute little fireplace and a lot of pantry space. And then on the right side, there's a door that will lead to the backyard, and we'll head over there lastly. But here's an overview of the living room. Awesome. And then once you walk in that hallway, now we're headed into bedroom number 1, or actually this would be office space number 1. Once you get out of the door, you would be heading into the first bathroom. There's a standing shower and then a toilet and a cute little sink with the vanity area right over there. Then if you head through this door, you are now led to the garage. And it's nice because there's both 2 entries, and then we have a huge driveway, which is really nice. Okay, awesome. And then once we're now going to head in the door back into the house, and now we're going to go to the laundry room. So there's not a washer and dryer included, but there's hookups, and there's a cute little sink area for the laundry room and a lot of cabinet space, which is really nice to do laundry. Awesome. And then there's a cute little closet to hold coats, and now we're going to go upstairs to all the bedroom and bathrooms up there. Awesome. And then once we head over here, here's a lot of cabinets as well for storage. And then we'll head into the master bedroom and bathroom. This is massive. It's a beautiful amount of space. I love the paint for the walls. It's really pretty. And then now we'll head over into the bathroom area, which is really awesome. There's 2 closets, which is really cool. So you don't have to figure out if there's enough space. There's literally 2 walk-in closets and with mirrors as well, which is really nice. Awesome. And then on this side right here in this door will be the toilet for the bathroom right over here. And then we have a standing shower and a bathtub. And then I love the double sink vanity with tons of cabinets as well and a lot of space to get ready. It's really pretty. Awesome. Here's a quick little overview on this side. And then we'll head now over into the next bedroom. And then, like I said, there's a lot of space to put storage. And then we'll head over into bedroom number 2, actually. This bedroom obviously is a little bit smaller. It's not the master, but there's a lot of space as well, too. And there's a closet. I'll do a quick little overview. And then we'll head over into the closet to see how much space there is. It's pretty normal amount of space, which is nice. And the shelves as well, too. Perfect. And then once you head out of that door, connected is the bathroom. So there's a double sink as well. So there's a lot of space to get ready, which makes it really easy. And then right in this door, I'm going to move that door real fast. There is, and I'll do a little overview as well, too. There's a toilet and a tub with the shower, which is really nice. Awesome. And then once you head out of there, there's bedroom number 3. And this is a little bit smaller, but this is like a great size room, especially for a younger kid or just anybody. And then a good size closet as well. And then I'm going to open the closet really quickly so that you can get an idea. It's kind of the same as the other bedroom before, but except there's a sliding door. Okay, awesome. Well, here's the whole bedroom again, and then we're gonna head out to bedroom number 4. And this bedroom's a little bit bigger, and there's a lot of natural light that comes in through the windows, which is really nice. A good sized closet as well, probably a little bit bigger than the last one. Here's a quick little overview, and then the closet space. I'll just show it really quickly. Same thing, there's a shelf on top. And then it's just gorgeous. Awesome. And then once you get out of there, to the left-hand side, this is my favorite part of the house. There's a cute little den area or a playroom. You can, whether you have kids, you can put toys there, another little couch. This could also be another little home office, and a lot of beautiful natural light coming through as well too. I love the shape of the walls and the archway as well too. Awesome. And now we'll head downstairs together back, and we'll go now into the backyard. And I kind of mentioned it's right by the kitchen area. So here's the backyard. There's a lot of space as well. I really love this backyard because there's a lot of space, whether you have family or kids that want to play outside or have a barbecue. But this basically wraps up our tour. I'm going to just show you really quickly around. My name is Juliana. It's been a pleasure doing this tour with you. Please give us a call at 951-582-2881. Also, please visit our website at www.truedoorpm.com to schedule a tour with me. Thank you guys. Have a great day.